Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study about addition of fractions. Addition of fractions. How to add that unlike fractions in a AG way. So first they have given here to convert that mixed fractions. First we convert that mixed fractions into improper. How to convert here? 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. 8 by 3 that first fraction. Second one 4 1s are 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 7. 7 by 4. Like this, first we converted that both fractions into improper fractions. Now, how to do that in butterfly system? Butterfly means this numerator to this denominator multiply, this denominator to again this numerator, and the denominator to denominator. How see that? 8 4 the 8 into 4 first do that. Bracket close plus 3 into 7. 7 into 3 upon 3 4 the 3 into 4. See that how it comes there. 8 4 the 32 plus 3 7 the 7 3 the 3 7 the 21 upon 3 4 the 12. Now add this numerators. 3 plus 5 is 53 by 12. Here is 53 by 12 improper fraction. You convert that improper into mixed fraction. After that 12 4 the 48. 48 5 remain. After 5 write that. You will get that 4 into the 5 by 12. This is the answer.